Here's a 2014 Mazda CX-5. Have your needs met in a way that feels exorbitant. The CX-5 beautifully delivers the essentials. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth, voice activation, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, selective service internet access, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Car and Driver finds the CX-5 doesn't drive like any other existing compact SUV. It's more lively, more involving, more steeped in the sports car character that Mazda harps on about in its Zoom advertising. With Mazda, driving is what matters most. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.